Hello everyone, this is Pami Seko from Shivananda Yoga World. Today I am going to show you how to do Ardha Matsyendrasana Asana, half spinal twist. This asana has taken its Sanskrit name from the great sage Matsyendra, one of the first Hatha Yoga teachers. Half spinal twist gives little stretch to the vertebra, back muscles and hips. It straightens, strengthens and stretches the spine as well as the abdominal organ. Now to begin with, first of all, sit on your heels, then bend forward and bring the forehead on the mat with your hands beside the feet, palms facing upwards. Now slowly sit up and bring both the feet forwards, legs forward, and straighten your legs out with both the feet together. Knees are straightened. You can bend the knees and bring with the left foot with the right thigh and hug it tightly, and bring the left hand behind the body near the tailbone and look towards the left. Twist the spine towards the left with no much pressure on the hand behind the body. Look towards the left over the left shoulder. To change, if you are a bit flexible, you can bring the left foot across the right thigh, bring the left hand behind the body near the tailbone, hug the knee tightly to the chest. If you are more flexible, inhale, bring the right arm up, twist towards the left and press the left knee with the right upper arm and hold the left ankle and look behind towards the left from the left shoulder. Keep breathing, keep holding. To release, inhale, bring both the right arm up, exhale, release. Now we'll do the same with the left side. First of all, bring the right foot along the left thigh and hug it with the left hand, left elbow, and twist towards the right. Bring the right arm behind the body near the tailbone and look towards the right over the right shoulder. Look behind from the right shoulder. Now release the posture. One more variation. Bring the right foot across the left thigh and you can hug the knee and right hand behind the body and look over the right shoulder. Exhale, release. If you are flexible enough, inhale, bring the left arm up, exhale, twist towards the right side and push the right knee with the left arm, upper arm, and hold the right ankle with your hand, left hand, and your right hand is behind the body near the tailbone. Keep breathing, keep holding, look towards the right over the shoulder. To release the posture, inhale, bring the left arm up, exhale, release. If you are flexible enough, advanced enough for the advanced posture, bend both the knees, bring the right foot across the left thigh, right hand behind the body near the tailbone. Inhale, left arm up, twist towards the right, lean forward and push the right knee with the left upper arm and hold the left ankle and look behind over the right shoulder. Remember, your spine is straightened and twisted towards the right. No pressure on your hand behind the body. And if you are more flexible, you can bring the hand from the inner thighs and hold both the hands on behind. Keep breathing, keep holding. Look toward the right over the right shoulder. Inhale to release the posture. Left arm up, exhale, release. Come to the center for the other side. Now bring the Left foot across the right thigh. Left hand behind the body near the tailbone. Inhale, bring the right arm up. Exhale, twist towards the left. Lean forward and press the left knee with the right upper arm and hold the left ankle with your right hand and look towards the left with over the left shoulder. Now to release the posture, inhale, right arm up, exhale, release. And now bend the knees to the chest, hug them tightly, straighten the spine. Inhale, bring the chin up, exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, center, exhale, turn the head to the right side. Inhale, center, exhale, turn the head to the left side. Inhale, center, exhale, right ear to the right shoulder. Inhale, center, exhale, left ear to the left shoulder. Inhale, center. Now please release. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel to see more videos. Thank you.